Hello there, folks. You may be familiar with the Friedrich Kuhl. That's a K-U-H-L and some sort of squiggly line or a couple of dots on top air conditioning units. It's a fine looking unit, maybe mechanically not so good, but had to change out the heating elements, and this was quite a complicated task here. So I'm going to walk you through it piece by piece, part by part, and screw by screw. And when you're done, you'll be just as good as me. I want to thank our friends at supplyhouse.com for sending me these new parts. This is an actual matching part from the original manufacturer. You can see here the original one here. You got quite a bit of corrosion. Looks like even some mold maybe there forming on some of those terminals. And I'm going to do an electrical check, a continuity test, to show you that that's not working at all. And this new one here is brand new and perfect and ready to go, ready to be installed. Now I'm ready to do that continuity test I was talking about here, and I use my field tester. It's a Commercial Electric MAS830B, and I think I picked this up at Home Depot, maybe Amazon.com, but very simple thing here, and I got it set to the 200 setting in the continuity range, which is the lowest setting. And what I'm going to do here is I've got this hooked up to one side. I'm going to go to the other, and you can see there's nothing. Nothing happening. But watch what happens when I come over here. I touch this, right about the same thing there, and I'm getting some continuity. Not perfect, but a little continuity. If I come over here to the other side, I get nothing. What does that tell me? Well, this old one's shot. Now we're going to go ahead and check out the brand new one I got from supplyhouse.com. And once again, I've got one of the leads up to one side of the heating element, and then I'm going to go here and touch the other side, and we're going to see what's happening on the continuity. Well, looky there, 14.5. Well, that's right within this manufacturer's specification. It's bouncing around a little bit, but that's probably just me. Everything good, ready to be installed. So again, a bit of a complex task here is you got to drop it in here, and I've actually loosened up the back panel of the unit. This particular unit has a rather deep coil. I know there are other models available on the market that have a narrower coil, and you wouldn't need to necessarily remove this back panel as I have. But I've dropped it in here, and you can see I've reattached the two electrical leads to the connectors. And now I just got to button it back up and fire this baby up.